Today we're going to be looking at 4 different shapes, and we're going to be taking those shapes and partitioning them or cutting them into equal pieces. We're going to take those shapes and cut them into halves, thirds, and fourths. Now remember, when we partition a shape into halves, that means that shape will have 2 equal parts. When we partition our shape into thirds, that means it will have 3 equal parts. And when we're partitioning a shape into fourths, there will be 4 equal parts. So let's take a look at our first shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight lines. So this is a quadrilateral and a polygon. And this shape is a... Good. If you said rectangle, you are correct. So if I wanted to partition this shape into halves, I would go straight down the middle. That would give me 2 equal pieces. Looking at my 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure here, which is a polygon and a quadrilateral, this shape is called a square. If I wanted to split this into 3 equal pieces, I could do it in a couple of ways. I could make my lines going from side to side, or I could draw my lines going up and down. I think I'll do mine going from top to bottom. Now remember, when I'm partitioning a shape, I want to try to make them as equal as possible. So they're not perfect, but they are getting towards making equal pieces. That gives me 3 equal pieces. I could always go back and try to make that a little bit better. Remember, when we are partitioning a shape, if we want 3 pieces, that means that we're going to have 2 lines, okay? That's a little bit better. So that gave me 3 equal pieces. I look here at my 1, 2, 3-sided shape. This shape is a triangle. So remember, when we are partitioning a shape, we want to make sure that it has equal pieces. So if I decided to split my triangle like this, would that be partitioned into halves correctly? No, you're right, it wouldn't, because the top of this and the bottom of this do not match. So we would have to split it differently, from the top to the bottom, to create 2 equal pieces. And now our triangle is split into halves. Now I look at this figure. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides. What shape is this? Good. If you said hexagon, you are correct. So I want to split this into 4 equal pieces. So I can draw a line straight through the middle on both from side to side, top to bottom, to give me 4 equal pieces. So we have now looked at splitting a shape into halves, 2 equal pieces. We've looked at splitting a shape into thirds, which is 3 equal pieces. And we have looked at splitting a shape into fourths, 4 equal pieces. Now what I would like for you to do is take a sheet of notebook paper and try to split a square into halves, thirds, and fourths. Good luck!